Want to live in Spain while working remotely? Here's how you can qualify for Spain's Digital Nomad Visa. First, you must work remotely for a company or clients located outside Spain. Your job must be location independent. Second, meet the income requirement. As of 2026, you'll generally need to earn at least €2,850 per month, or around €34,200 per year. The required amount increases if you're bringing your spouse or children. Next, prepare your documents: a valid passport, proof of remote employment or freelance work, employment contract or client agreements, recent bank statements, health insurance, police clearance, and proof of professional qualifications. Complete the visa application form and submit your application at the Spanish consulate, or, if eligible, from within Spain. Once approved, you'll be able to live in Spain while continuing your remote career and enjoying everything the country has to offer. Thinking of applying for Spain's Digital Nomad Visa? Let ACES Visa guide you through every step, from eligibility assessment to document preparation and application. ACES Visa, Visa made easy.